RollingStoners on the off the beaten track chilling. There is signs of life here. A little bit dry, but still signs of life. Oh my word, I told you there was signs of life. Hello my boy. You were telling me to drive 60. You were yes, that's exactly what I spotted. You were telling me that we were driving 60 k's an hour. If I did that, we would be up his bottom. So
if this is what you spotted,
okay,
you easily won the competition.
Okay, guys, do me a favor. Just keep looking left and right. We don't want to get in the way of a young elephant, okay, and his parent. And this car's just happily cruising straight past. So maybe we can just carry on. Okay, so what I can say happily and with absolute confidence is that I am, no, he's right here, that I am the winner of the ice cream.
Yeah, you definitely won.
Yeah, I have won the ice cream. I just want to let this bucky go past so that we can go to the front of the elephant. Taz, please focus on what you're doing. Come on, man.
Together, we're a team now.
Okay, I'm going to cruise past him slowly. All right. He's having a little chill, man. Hello, my boy. That is so beautiful. Okay, onward and upward, RollingStoners. That's why we came.
Have we seen elephant? We go home
now. You cannot deny that doing this inside the cannabis culture is just special. So capture the moments of every day of life.
We celebrate, light one up then.
I mean, you have to celebrate. You just saw one of
celebrating. Cheers.
One of
things. Just the first African elephant.
Did you? Is that the first one? No ways! You see, that's so legendary. Well done, Ling. Here we go. RollingStoner style. Keep rolling.
Yeah. See you guys in a bit when we get our next